Hello everyone, and welcome to another week of Washi Wednesdays. Trying a jingle, we'll see how that sticks. But anywho, I hope you all are having a wonderful week. And this week, I was feeling a little nostalgic. Also, I was going through my stickers earlier and stumbled across some Beauty and the Beast stickers. And so that may have gotten me inspired as well. So I thought for this week, I wanted to use this Beauty and the Beast inspired washi from Every Minute a Story. It is a beautiful washi. It has some nice little foiling details. And so I want to use this one this week. Also, as a bonus, this actually came in a set, and so we might also be using this beautiful, like, powdery blue and roses thinner washi as well. And then I thought, who knows, maybe some accent? We'll see how we feel about it. So these are the washis that we're going to use this week, and I am so excited to get into it. So let's get started. So I mentioned earlier that I was going through my stickers. This is also an Every Minute a Story like journaling card, and I actually made this little folder. There's some things I would do differently next time, but it was a little fun DIY. If you all are interested in learning how to make your own little folder, let me know in the comments. I can make a video for this. So, like I said, I was going through and I found these. And so I was like, oh yes, let's use this. As you see, I have lots of unused kits that I need to use. So I thought, let's use some of our collection. So we are going to open up to a blank page. We probably need to pick our marker colors, but I don't know. What do y'all think? I don't know, like this looks like it maybe goes well with that. So that could be a good color. And then maybe like that color. This looks kind of close, but I would need to swatch it to see if this color really works. So let me just grab the back of an envelope really quickly. No. That will not work. So let's go for this blue. Let's check that yellow. Okay. We're gonna go with these, and maybe if we need a pink. That's too dark, that's too dark. Maybe if we need a pink. We'll pull this one out just in case. So we got that. All right. Now to the fun part. Let's get started.